Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Real Deal Hustle. Before I get started, please understand that I am not a financial advisor, so please take what I say with a grain of salt. Before you invest in any of these stocks that I will be discussing today, please do your diligence. So make sure that you do your research in these stocks. So the first stock that I'm going to be going over today is Inpx. Inpx in today up at $1.81. It was up 8.38%, so that's cool. And after hours, it started off the day at $1.39. Now I will be transparent and let you all know that I do not hold a position in this stock. I'm thinking about purchasing the stock and getting in this stock because the stock has huge potential. So if you look at the stats here, it opened up at $1.42. The high was $1.69. So it went up higher than the high. So it's making new highs, and that's a good thing. Now the volume on this stock was low, 19.27 million, but it was more than an average of 8 million. So more and more individuals are starting to discuss this stock. So I'm looking for a big pump to happen in the near future that will pump this up, especially if AvePoint can get going. I think that'll help Inpx out, and especially if more and more larger YouTubers will start discussing this stock right here. So I'm going to start a small investment in this stock. Now, rumor is that the Wall Street bets are going to pump this stock up. I don't follow rumors, okay, unless it's CCIV. With this stock right here, I'm investing because I actually believe in a company, and I believe that I can make money on a short term with this stock. Now, I'm waiting for a dip before I start my position, so it ended the day at $1.81. So I'm gonna have to wait for a dip, but let's see what Invest says about it. So Stock Invest says that this is a buy, a stronger buy, with the score of a 6.54. That's a good thing, people. So anytime the score is 6.54 is really time to get in. It was up 18.44% at the time when Stock Invest was discussing this stock, so that's huge. Okay, so let's go into a little bit more stats about what they say about this stock and kind of figure out where you can probably place a stop limit hold just in case to secure. Now, one thing about a penny stock, you want to make sure that you place a stop limit order on it because they can drop fast and they can drop hard like a brick. So they want your stop loss to be at $1.61. So if you did decide to get in this stock now, remember it had a volatile ride, right? So it went anywhere between $1.38 to $1.70 on Thursday. So it was moving like that on Thursday. So you really have to watch this stock before you start to invest your money in this stock. So like I said, make sure to do your due diligence. Now, it was a 54.63 gain, but remember, make sure that you do your own due diligence before you invest in this stock. And I will wait for a dip. Do not get in this stock while it's at $1.81. Kind of wait to see if it fall under that, so you already know that there's possible gain when it comes to the stock. Now, if you look at the stop, like I said, the support risk is at $1.62 or $1.67. So anywhere between those numbers, you sure that it won't fall down below that right now. So it found this resistance there. That's a good thing. And the current buy score is 6.54. That is a very nice buy score, people. Very, very nice to get in. Okay, so I will be investing in this stock on a dip. So let's go into another stock that I'm going to discuss with you guys, and that's Sundown. Everybody's talking about Sundown. Now, I do have a call on this. The call expires today. Okay, so I really need to make sure that I get in here and make as much as possible with this and then jump out. I put 10 contracts out on this call. That was 100 shares per contract. Now, I should have sold this contract earlier because it got all the way up to $800. It went all the way up to $800. So when it went up to $800, I should have sold it, but I didn't do that. I kept it around, and that was a mistake that I made. I should have just sold it and got out of it. But I stuck around with that. And, I'm hoping that today pays off, and I'm hoping that it actually goes up more today and I can make even more and more income off this. Now, what I'm going to do is when it runs out today, I'm going to purchase 5 more contracts on this for next week too, because I know this is going to skyrocket, and I'm thinking about building another position in this stock. I held a position in this stock multiple times, and when it ran up, I was one of those people that actually really benefited from the run up. I think I made about 800-900 off this stock. So this is a big money stock, you all. Everybody's starting to talk about this, and if they make it legal in more and more states, the higher it will boost this. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.